Hello everyone, today we'll be going to see alignment basics. So in the short form we can say AB. So what is alignment basic? So automatic part alignment by macro for set up the part position in XY plane using the wire. These events helps to the operator to correct the coordinate system from the reference coordinating system. So this will be used from the wizard process, and let's see how we can enable this process from the wizard. Let's select the cam and WireEDM technology. I'm selecting cut P550 machine. So when you confirm, you can go directly with the surface selection, and with the top view by shortcut key Alt 1 I'm selecting a window. So complete window has been selected, and unselect the selection by if you don't want to machine it, those kind of holes can be unselected. So now I have completed it. So confirm the process. So when you confirm, it automatically creates geometry. So next we'll go for the entry motion, and here I'll be going with the geometry center with the angle. I'm clicking on the top view and selecting window selection and confirm. So here automatically creates the entry motion. So let's go for wizard. So I'm going for wizard process. So process wizard. So it calls EDM expert. So where we can select the technology parameters, and I'm selecting the 3 passes with the brass 900 with wire 0.25 and validate it. So next is the centering cycle. So here I'm selecting electrical and with the center option. So here I have a part machine cutout, so I'm selecting the part. Measuring points is 4. So here I'm having a circle which is pre-drilled, so I'm selecting the 4 holes, and rotation angle I don't want anything. X coordinate is 0 and Y coordinating is 0. So after the centering, you need to cut a wire or not. It is can be done by operator. If you don't want to cut a wire, you can go with. So I prefer to cut a wire now. So add this process and go for it. So here you can see the parameters have been added. Then you can click next or come to directly for the common parameters on accept and calculate. So it automatically create the wizard and the stock for the material, and it calculates. So let's generate the stock. So I'll be selecting the surface. So select the process, has selected the box, and so now surface has been generated. So the stock has been generated properly. Let's go for simulation to view the process. It will take time to generate the initial stock. Then we go for ISO format, fit the screen and run the process. So here I'm removing the chunks, and now the skimming cut has been started. Same way it is doing for the other 3 profiles. So this is how the roughing, skimming and skimming process will be taken place in the machine also. So you can see here we have already finished all the operation. The last skimming is going on right now. So now the operation has been completed. parameter is correct. Now we'll generate the post for the machine and we'll see the code whether it is available in the post processor. Here it comes. So I have selected center and P and C90 or rotation 0 XYZ, sorry, XY and the E1. So CEN will indicate the centering cycle, P is the coordinating system, N4 is the number of measuring cycle, C90 is the angular increment, R is equal to rotation, XY coordinate, and this is E1 is the current setting, and WCT is the wire cut. So let's see ISO program also is being generated. So everything is fine now. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.